Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide WhatsApp notification content from your notification bar or your lock screen. For example, you can see when I go to my notification bar here, I can view all the WhatsApp content without even logging into WhatsApp at all. So if you don't like this and you don't want to disable it, and also when I go to my home screen as well, you can see that the notifications, I can view the notification content even in the home screen. But if you don't like this, in this video I'll show you how to disable the notification content. Only show the number of messages you get and the chat you're having. So if you don't want to show this notification content on WhatsApp, then the video is for you. So the first thing you want to do is go to WhatsApp. So when you get to the WhatsApp, click on these three dots at the top right corner and go to settings. So now when you're in settings, you go to account, and in your account you go to privacy. So you just have to scroll down where it says fingerprint lock. So you click fingerprint lock, then you enable this. So you just have to confirm your fingerprint. So now it's saying show content notification, and that is enabled already, and that is what is happening with your messages. You can show content in notifications. So if you want to disable, you just have to disable it, and if you want the content to show, you enable it back. So I'll disable it that, so when I get a new message I won't be able to see that confirmation, that notification, the whole content in that message. So let's try that out. So when I go back and someone send me messages, you can see now it's showing 16 messages from 5 chats, but it's not showing the contact and the messages. This is what it's showing right now. So that's just how to disable, that's how to hide or disable the notification, the content from the notification bar on WhatsApp. So right now it's not showing the messages. If I go back to WhatsApp, I can see that the fingerprints and lock, when I enable it, when I go up, I'll be able to see all of my messages at the top right corner and I can view this. But when I disable this and also go back, you can see it's only showing 16 messages from 5 chats. So that's it for this video. If you find the video helpful, I'd like you to give it a thumbs up. I hope the video is helpful to you. See you in the next one.